The Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35 infant car seat first joined the extensive Graco family of child restraints back in 2005. Since then, it's been through a few iterations, one of which was to lower the minimum weight range from 5 to 4 pounds to better fit preemies. The newer seats also have a longer expiration, 7 years instead of 6, to better allow for extended rear riding to 2 years old according to the AAP recommendation. The ClickConnect technology was designed to make it easy to attach to both the base and stroller with one step. It's on the upper range in prices among the other Graco SnugRide models, but it's still a pretty affordable seat compared to similar models of other brands. While not a huge investment for most families, you still want to get what you pay for. Is the Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35 worth the investment? And is it a safe and reliable seat for your baby? Let's break down the stats so you can decide for yourself. If you want to know more, let's get started. What are the child size limits for the Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35? The 35 in the product name applies to the maximum weight range for this seat, 35 pounds. That's becoming a fairly standard max weight in car seats. But there are still models like the SnugRide 30 that max out at 30 pounds. But 35 pounds does allow for extended rear facing to age 2, or while the SnugRide 30 has matching weight and height numbers of 30 pounds and 30 inches, the height limit of the SnugRide 35 tops out at only 32 inches. Some parents noted that the infant insert in the SnugRide 30 and 35 didn't seem to have enough head support for newborns. There's another version called the SnugRide 35 LX with an infant insert that better restricts head movement. So if you will be driving on bumpy, curvy roads, the LX model may be a better option for your newborn. How big is the Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35, and will it fit in your vehicle? The best thing size-wise is that this seat will likely fit in the backseat of most compact and other small cars. The only real issue with size we found involved the weight of the seat. A couple of pounds difference isn't much until your baby is approaching 10 pounds. Some parents found this to be the case. You might find your arm getting really tired if you try to tote the carrier around for very long. How safe is the Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35? This car seat has been crash tested to meet and exceed U.S. federal car seat safety standards. Graco has its own safety testing facility in Georgia and a program called Safe Seat Engineering, with standards that meet or exceed government test requirements. Additionally, they focus on 3 key areas: catastrophic crashes, extreme environments, and side impacts. Graco seats are constructed with materials that can perform differently in different temperatures. Most safety tests are performed at room temperature, but they also test at temperatures of 0 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. However, several parents noted that the SnugRide 35 wasn't as breathable as other models, so their child's back ended up really sweaty on warm days. Overview: the Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35 is proven to perform safely in both crash tests and real-life crashes. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a disappointment with some design and installation features. If you have a preemie, the infant insert that comes with this seat may not offer enough head support. Using aftermarket inserts is not something we'd recommend, but you could call Graco and see if they have an alternative infant insert. The SnugRide 35 will most likely fit in your vehicle, which is a big plus, depending on the angle of your backseat. However, you might need some rolled-up towels under the base to get it to the right angle. The lat CH installation and removal can be a pain if you have an older vehicle with hidden lat CH anchors. It shouldn't be an issue with newer models of cars, but you can install the seat securely with just the seat belt. The price is decent for this car seat, and if you have a newer, smaller car, the Graco SnugRide Click Connect 35 could be a good option for you. Otherwise, it might be a good idea to shop around before deciding on this one. Well, this is my observation with this particular model. Maybe you've experienced something different. So, it would be a pleasure if you share yours in the comment section below for the rest of the viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you a great day.